Hi, my name is Jordan, and this is our IB Group 4 video project. The superpower we chose was super speed, and our inspiration for that is the superhero named The Flash.
For the physics portion of the project, I found out how fast a person with super speed would be able to run around the Earth for one lap. In order to do this, I found the radius of the Earth and used that to find the circumference of the Earth. And then I took the length of the Earth around and converted it from kilometers to meters. And then I found what the definition of super speed was, which is any speed that is above the fastest recorded speed of a human. And then I found out that the fastest recorded speed is by Usain Bolt, which is 27.8 miles per hour, or 12.43 meters per second. Then using the kinematic equation S equals U times T plus half times A times T squared, the equation became 40,086,722.26 equals 1/2 times 12.5171 times T squared, and then the time calculated from the equation was 2,530.832544 seconds. And so I determined that it takes about 2,531 seconds for a person at super speeds to run one lap around the Earth.
Next will be Cameron talking about the biology side of the project.
Thanks.
Huh?
Can you read the thing?
Oh, you started over?
Yes.
Oh, I'm sorry. Alright. The physical anatomy of a person plays a big role in how fast they are able to run. In order for a person to have superhuman speed, they must be built for speed. The internal body functions that take place have a large impact on the capabilities of the human. In the case of superhuman speed, a few major players are the transport system, the ventilation system, and the gas exchange system. First and foremost is the transport system. This system includes the heart and all of the blood vessels. The heart would need to be larger in order to have a larger volume to accommodate a larger volume of blood. The heart would also need to be able to pump more blood per beat in order to send more blood and oxygen to a larger area of muscles at a time. This would allow more oxygen to reach the cells of the muscles at a time, allowing a faster rate of cellular respiration to occur, which would produce more ATP that is able to be used at a time, which allows the muscles to exert more power than usual, thus allowing a person to run faster. As a result, the arteries would have to be even thicker and have even thicker lumen in order to withstand the increased blood pressure coming from the heart without rupturing. In order for this oxygenated blood to be sent to the muscles, the blood needs to be oxygenated at a faster rate as well, which brings us to the ventilation system and the gas exchange system. The blood must pass by the lungs through the capillaries in the lungs. The oxygen within the lungs diffuse through the alveoli to the capillaries through the gas exchange system. In order for this to occur, however, the concentration gradient between carbon dioxide and oxygen must be maintained through breathing in the ventilation system. The lungs would have to be larger and more powerful in order to be able to contain more oxygen at one time, in order to oxygenate more blood at a time so that more blood can be sent to the muscles in the body at one time. All of these systems working together would increase the rate at which cellular respiration within the muscle cells took place, allowing the muscles to perform at a faster rate using aerobic respiration.
Now let's discuss the chemistry side to the project. Now that we have discussed the definition of super speed, its physical applications, and what the human body's anatomical structure would have to be like in order to run at super speed, let's discuss super speed on a chemical level in terms of the body's chemical reactions during exercise. First off, the feel-good endorphins. One of the most well-documented reactions that take place after working out is the production of endorphins. These non-addictive feel-good molecules are polypeptides that bind with neurotransmitters in the brain to reduce pain symptoms. Besides relieving pain, endorphins help reduce stress, boost immunity, slow the aging process, and create a sense of euphoria. This is essential to the body's cool down process after exercise, and these feel-good endorphins take care of your muscles, allowing your body to exercise or run at super speeds for long periods of time. The next topic of focus is blood chemistry. Another reaction that takes place after working out is a change in your blood chemistry. While exercising, your muscles use oxygen contained within your blood's hemoglobin to convert the glucose in your bloodstream into usable energy. In addition, carbon dioxide and hydrogen are produced during this process. Together, these changes affect your overall blood chemistry and cause your blood's pH level to drop. The second to last focus is the change in your metabolism. Metabolites are small chemicals involved in your metabolic process that increase the more you exercise. Specifically, glycerol, a metabolite that breaks down fatty tissue, increases after exercise in people at all fitness levels. In fact, after only 10 minutes of exercise, your bloodstream is likely to contain more metabolites than when you started. Furthermore, consistent exercise may stimulate long-term changes in your metabolism, of which scientists are only barely scratching the surface about this information. The last change is in your body chemistry. Your experience after working out will depend on your own body chemistry. For example, the body releases endorphins at a different rate for every individual. It may take some people 10 to 15 minutes of consistent exercise to feel them kick in, whereas others may require 30 minutes or more. In addition, your metabolism often depends on your genetic predisposition, your age, and your body type.